Good morning, grade 1. How are you today? I hope you're fine. So today we have a new lesson, a new math lesson. Please open your main book, page 415. Page 415. So today's lesson is inches. 1 inch is about the length of a small paper clip. This is about 1 inch. An inch ruler has 12 inches. Use inches to measure the length or height of small objects. So, what is a length? A length is a unit of measuring things. You can find it in some rulers. An inch ruler has 12 inches. So you can, if you have a ruler, maybe you have two parts, so in a part centimeters and in a part inches. Today we're going to study this part over here, inches. If you have a ruler that has inches, it's correct and fine. If you don't have it, we're going to just try to use those until you have it, okay? So, how we measure something. So let's look at this picture. This is our yummy carrots over here, and this is our ruler. What you do is, you bring the first edge of your ruler, you put it in the first edge of your object. And then you see the other edge, where does it stop? And you see, so we start not from 1, we start from 0, from this part over here, which is not written anything. So it's basically 0, okay? So we start from here, from the really first side or edge of our ruler, and we see where do we stop. We make our line, and like this we can count. Here you can see that it's 4 inches, our carrot, okay? So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna bring your ruler, and they said use an inch ruler to measure the length of each picture. I hope that you have it. So you're gonna bring your ruler like we did here. The first edge, you put it in here, and you see where does it stop, okay? So now basically, if you don't have it, in case, I don't know, because of those anyway, those actions happening, so you can just try to use this ruler estimating, okay? So you can see that it's about 2 here, okay? So it's about 2 inches, okay? Number 1 is already done. Number 2 is about 2 inches. Now here, you're gonna take your eraser and measure it, and here you will take your notebook and measure it. Actually here, answers may vary, okay? Here answers may vary, because here we measured in the book, but here you're gonna take the real objects. You're gonna take the real eraser. I'm gonna take my eraser, I will just measure it. You will take your eraser, it could differ. Maybe your eraser is bigger than mine. Mine is for example, smaller or something like that. So here the answers may vary. You take your object, any eraser you have, and any notebook where you write, and try to measure it. Basically, what you do, I'm gonna put my eraser in here. I'm gonna try to measure it. So mine here is about 1.5 inches. Actually, didn't take the halves yet. Okay, so I'm gonna say that it's about 1 inch, or you can say about 2 inches, so it depends, okay? But basically it's in half over here. So for me, I'm gonna write it is about 1.5 inches. You can write like me if you are in the middle. Okay, in the middle you only add, for example, 1.5. If it's 2, we say 2.5. Here is the half, okay? So here 2.5. Here is 1.5. If you need, but I don't think that you need that for now. Now this is the eraser, sorry, 1.5 is for the eraser. Here. Okay, for the notebook, my notebook is a kind of 15 inches. Okay, so those answers may vary. It depends on your things. May vary means may change. It doesn't have to be like mine. Okay, here you're gonna use the ruler and just measure over here. Basically what you're gonna do first, you're gonna estimate it just with your eyes. You see it's about for me I can see here it's about kind of 7 inches, and then you take your ruler and you measure it. When you measure it, you will find that it's 6. Okay, now here in number 7, this shovel over here you're gonna estimate. So if I said this is 7, so this basically may be 5. But when you're gonna take your ruler and put it from here to here, you will basically find that it's 4 inches. Okay, so the estimate answers may vary. It's okay that they vary, may change. If your answer in the estimate not like mine, it's okay. But at the measurement, it's kind of sure. Okay, now I'm gonna pass to question 8. I'm gonna estimate. So here we're gonna measure the height of it. From here to here. Here we used to measure the length, and now the height. Actually here, I will estimate that is a kind of 2, basically. And when you're gonna measure it, you're gonna see that it's really 2. That's it for today's lesson, grade 1. I'm so proud of you. Thank you for watching. Please solve your homework. See you soon. Goodbye.